Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come, the road that wait up. But don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and in today's video we will be featuring Hermosa hair. Big shout out to Hermosa hair for sponsoring today's video. So I'm super excited about this video today. We have two wigs to show you. So I have a intense pink violet wig, and then I have a highlight pink violet wig. We're gonna compare the two, and then I'm going to install one. So the intense pink violet is super pretty. It's very bright. It's perfect for the Valentine's Day holiday approaching, and it's just a showstopper. It has chunky, prominent violet highlights that just stand out. I love that they come from the root, but there's just enough black in the wig for it to be a great balance. So these wigs are both 22 inches and they're both 13x4 lace frontals. So the other one that I'm going to show you is the violet highlight wig, which I decided to style the two differently. So both wigs are a straight texture and they are 22 inches long. I'm going to install the violet highlight. We're going to install that one. Both wigs will be linked down in the description box. If I have a discount code, that will be in the description box as well. So let's just get into this look.
Getting bigger, racks getting bigger, cash getting larger. He thought he was loving me good, I told him go harder. She thought she was killing this shit, I told her go harder. Just look at this alkaline wrist, cause I got that water. Ass getting thicker, cash getting thicker. That's that thick. That's that real shit. That's that jelly, baby. Champagne and cherry, baby. That's that thick. That's that ball drop. That's that keep going. That's that never stop. That's that thick. That's that na-na. That hoochie hoochie la la. Yeah, that's that Fiji agua. Candy girl pinata. Hit it in the car and take you back to the casa. That I got you rock now. The yacht now. That's that freak Nick. That's that 1996. That's that Miami Vice. 12 in the trunk, 808. That's that Castro. Eat that shit like Mastros. She say she on the diet, girl. You better not lose that ass though. That's that thick. That's that real shit. That's that jelly nigga. That's that really nigga. That's that thick. That's that ball drop. That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Baby, that's that thick. That's that thick. Baby, that's that thick. That's that thick. Look at this shit. Ooh, that's that strawberry. That's that grape and cherry. Ooh, that's that ginseng. Cut that bitch like culinary. That's the bounce. Spend my money, make it count. If it's lost, then it get found. Just keep dropping that shit down. That's that summer, that's them hummers. That's that girl, give me your number. That's that joy, that's that solid. Yeah, I just got out of college. That's that I don't do this usually. I don't know what you do to me. That I don't do this usually. Oh, you can't body me, back it up like limousine. You gotta make the fold out to fit in magazine, right? Girl, look at your body, right? Take this tell me that you been wanting it, and hurry up for the moment ends. But like what I hear might be sleeping in. Screaming like bounce it, chocolate bounce it, sit on that bounce it, bounce it. Ass getting thicker. Cash getting thicker. Cash getting larger. He thought he was loving me good. I told him go harder. That's that thick. She was killing me shit. I told her go harder. That's that thick. This alkaline grease, cause I got that water. Baby, that's that cash getting thicker. That's that cash getting. Look at this shit. All night, feel me. All up in your mind. Make love to your mind. I think your thoughts.
This is 150 density, but it works, you know, it's not too much hair. 22 is a nice little modest length. You know what I like. You know what I like. So I wanted to take this time in the video to announce this giveaway. So I will be giving away the Intense Violet Highlight Wig to one lucky subscriber. So I'm gonna leave this open for about 2 weeks. Big shout out to Hermosa Hair for making this possible. They made this giveaway possible, and I really do love both of these wigs. Shout out to y'all, shout out to Hermosa, and I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.